Here's the view.
Check it out.
View, yeah. A wise man once told me, when a dog bush a work, you light a big fire. So you light a big fire, anything negativity there around you, I give you bad energy. Or you want to work, and you feel lucky like you know how to do work again. Just make up a big fire. And make it go and blaze. It blaze all bad energy for you. So just look at this fire with me build. Blazing. Good afternoon, sir. You so early me there, Panny? Well, I'm finishing, man. I just that's how I finish and what I'm show you. And then I start box around. Yeah, man. I'm there. See the big? I put in the cup down here so because I like how them go there rush. When I look tall low big and I to them bad. Mala sucked it today. See mama ya. See two of them. My own family. Then I get used to me, the family man. And tree are breathing. You know? See them there? The one they are breathing to see my from the next one I breathe there. You two are with them there again. That's my phone number coming. Go, go, go! I want to look like he soon drop, seen lie down there now. I come on, I'm a woman who love run up and down behind me. I see me. Like he soon drop him now. What do you? Say morning to Keboy. Say morning, Keboy. Yeah, so we Jamaican cook, use pressure cooker for wood fire. We just get a piece of zinc, cut out a little bit smaller than the bottom of my pressure cooker. You know, some man likes the bottom, so you cut out a little bit smaller than the lower part of the pressure cooker. Get any two frame we can make up the fire in, put piece of iron pan you can put the zinc on. So the fire don't come up and trouble the rubber around the pressure cooker. And you have a pressure cooker working. Yeah. Pressure some cowhead with some bean. You understand? Yeah man. See? Yeah man, this is a homemade wood fire used with a pressure cooker. So after you finish now, you have to clean up the pressure cooker. You know, so just the lower part of the pressure cooker you clean. And at the same time you can either put some ashes on your pressure cooker, the lower part of your pressure cooker, or dirt or coconut tile or like a fab on the lower part of the pressure cooker. So you know affect the fire now affect it and burn it up. Okay, you still want your pressure cooker put on your pretty stove. Yeah man. See it? So you know where I go. So fire blaze. So I like how look in a juju now. All me have to do is just put one piece of zinc over it or piece of ply. And your fire still around and not affect it. Yeah. Yeah man, I easiest way this is the wood fire and the pressure cooker. Go now, sir, come for. Watch this. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Go. Yeah, back in the pen here. My pot come and cook cowhead, Kevin, I cook cowhead. Now we cowhead night pressure cooker for dirty, seasoned up. Dutch pot and thing. So you know the fire will come up and trouble the rubber. Look, I already have it covered. Yeah. See? So you do it. Nice and easy. We finish the lower part of it now. Lower part of it finish, my boss. See it there? Come on, newly born. Newly born, Kevin, newly born. You know, it shows up if I never try to turn on the light. But two newly born. Alright, them part where I have a wide gap now. I just put strip between them so that the kid them foot can't drop through. Neither the big goat foot then can't drop through. I put the strip. Just I come put a little piece there to show you. So I put the strip them. So tomorrow now, I start cut up strip to go between them. So mother goat, father goat, and then kid can walk on and nobody get damaged. Alright, this is the original part now where we take off the piece. So they want to enter through the door, come up through this little part. Come. Alright. Later I give you some food. Alright? But them body sick boy. Every meet me after I go road for them. That's why I'm case done a cook for them. Bad man, them bad. Goat start attack by the house, you see it? No, done it. It's so have picnic, you know. Start, you know, sir. Come, 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 Blackie, come. Yeah, come to Papa, come. Want food? Come. Like you want me meringue or something, me steam. Come, 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 come. All right. Come, 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 come. Come, 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 come. Papa came over Bushman, his mother this morning. And a ram. You know, me look for them and say, do I ram or she? Good. Like a she. Like a she, like a two she, yeah. My ball and get up. What do you? You'll put it on over soon. Alright, my baby? Come on, where you behave, so? For the last night, them born on this morning. Pretty man if you're them mother. It's them mother, yeah. Say hi to K-Boy. Hi, K-Boy. Say hi, K-Boy. You know, say hi. Healthy no kale masoko. Mother smell it till say me touch it. Come. Come, 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 come. Go, go, go. Go, go. Wanna come? But me not on figure, no? What do you feel foot now? What do you feel foot? Somebody lick up on it. Me call coming all the falling coming now. Vote everybody come. Good job tonight or tomorrow morning.